Good morning, everyone. Myself Ambika. Today we are gathering here to give a presentation on applications of sensor. And here are our group members: Ambika VS, that is USN 1DA 19AC 402, Divya Shri K, USN 409, Radhika R, USN 426, Rohit, USN 431, Vijay Lakshmi P, USN 437, and we are the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. And now let us see some introduction of applications of sensor. Before going to that, as you people know the meaning of sensor, now let us see some more information about this sensor. And sensor is an electronic device that measures a physical attributes such as temperature, pressure, distance, speed, torque, acceleration, etc. from equipment, appliances, machines, and any other systems. Secondly, the sensor produces an electrical signal or optical signal using a multiple technologies proportional to the inputs, and these signals are either interpreted into a readable format or passed on the next stage for further processing. Sensors are broadly grouped into analog and digital sensor. The analog sensor measures the exact value of physical variable, whereas the digital sensor measures the status. And sensors are classified by applications, property sensed, technology used, and system where they are developed. Let's analyze the applications of sensor in detail. Before going to the applications, the one question will be arised: why we use a sensor? Why? Because the ability of sensor is to measure a multivariate data on the activities taking place within a system through open plenty of users cases. And here you can see the circuit or image of sensor. And the data measured by sensor can be used in operating the system effectively, monitoring the operations for any abnormalities, controlling the operations, utilizing the resources effectively, and making design changes to further improve performance, enhancing the future product portfolio. And these are the important.
Thank you, Ambika. Myself, Divyashri. I am going to explain about applications of sensors in automotive field. Let's see some of the applications. First, braking and traction control. In this application, anti-braking system ABS sensors are connected to the wheel of the vehicle. ABS works to prevent the vehicle wheels from locking during heavy braking or skidding. ABS uses speed sensors on both wheels to accurately determine what speed, as well as sensors to determine when a wheel is about to lock in many situations. Second one, airbags. In this application, anti-collision restraint systems are used. Crush sensors are placed in the vehicle to measure the force and send it to during accident. The ACRS will activate the airbag and gas bursts from the storage faster than the blink of an eye, so it can save the life of passenger. Next, avoiding collision. The sensors detect an object in the path of moving vehicle, so the human operator or the vehicle automated system can take action to avoid collision. The ultrasonic sensors are used to visual alarm. Next, comfort and convenience. The both comfort and convenience is important while riding a vehicle. By using sensors, a driver or passenger can know the parameters such as vehicle speed, engine speed, fuel levels, tire pressures, door check, light bulbs, etc. So it is useful to use automatic sensors to detect these all things. Next, engine data. By using sensors, we can know the data on engine performance such as ignition, exhaust gas, oxygen, fuel mix, exhaust gas recycling, etc. Thank you. Over to Rohit.
Thank you, Divasri. Myself, Rohit, 1DA 19EC 431. I am going to explain the application of an sensor in manufacturing. Predictive maintenance of a machinery assembly equipment using data collected from sensors in the machines. Optimal utilization of machines by continuously monitoring the performances and effectively rigging the operations with the data collected from the sensors. Fine tuning the quality systems and enhance the quality standards using the data collected from sensors, design notification and alerts in case of deterioration of quality and process standards, agility in reaching to market demands. Next, aviation. Sensors deployed in the aviation industry measures the data during the navigation of aircraft, monitoring of various systems, control functions of instruments. These data are utilized in efficient flight operations, improve aircraft performance, and design improvements. Some of the sensors in instrumentation are tachometers, gauges to measure engine pressure, oil and fuel quantity, altimeters, airspeeds, meters, etc. Sensors help in measuring the testing of ground conditions, vibration, and environment factors and provide useful inputs to pilot to manage general. Next, over to Radhika.
Hello everyone, I am Radhika R, USN Monday 19AC 426. I am going to explain about application of sensors in the field of medical and healthcare which facilitate health monitoring system. Here the signals that are generated by sensors in medical equipment, surgical instruments and devices are used for diagnosis, treatment and control functions by the doctors. The sensors that are used in electronics based medical equipment to convert various forms of stimuli into electrical signal for analysis. Sensors can increase the intelligence of medical equipment such as field supporting implants, that is sensor system monitor the physiological signs of the patients in real time, can assess some health conditions and give the feedback to the doctors. There is a development in new and different types of medical equipment which are used inside both equipment and patient's body. In the healthcare organizations need real-time, reliable and accurate diagnostic result provided by devices that can be monitored remotely whether the patient is in hospital, clinic or at home. Next, here are the some sensors which are used in medical applications. For the purpose of this research, we can examine how pressure, temperature, flow and image sensors, accelerators, accelerometers, biosensors, squids and encoders are used in medical applications. The below figure shows the product type within the market. Then comes to application. Blood pressure monitoring, that is using sensor a person can monitor his blood pressure by himself. Continuous glucose monitoring by individuals. Here also a person can monitor his glucose level by himself. Automatic measurement of vitals of the patient and sending it to the patient's doctor. More home care facilities and ambulatory treatment. Automatic detection of visitors spreading diseases to patients in hospital. Decentralized laboratories. Robotics in operation theatre. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika. Myself Vijay Lakshmi. My topic is marine. What is exactly called as a marine means relating to or found in a sea. Sensor in a ship measure fuel tank level, liquid cargo levels, tank pressure or a temperature. Pitch, roll, speed or other visual movements are also measured in monitor with the help of a sensor. With rapid development of a society and the economy, an increasing number of human activities have gradually destroyed the marine environment. Marine environment monitoring is the virtual problems and also increasingly attached a great deal of research and development attention. During the past decade, various marine environment monitoring systems have been developed. The traditional marine environment monitoring system using an oceanographic research visual is an expensive and time consuming, has been low resolution both in the time and space. Next is figure for marine. In this slide I have taken two examples. Figure 1 shows military and defense marine. Figure 2 shows commercial marine. In both figure, we can observe that top corner level sensor. What is exactly called as a level sensor is, a level sensor is a device that designed to monitor or maintain and measuring a liquid level. Once the liquid level is detected, the sensor convert the preceded data into a electrical signal. That's why level sensor is used in a marine. Next, some main features of a marine. LabVIEW based user interface using a Google Maps, solar energy harvesting, social view. The design of various interface circuits and the use of few A-based sensor nodes. Design of an advanced low-cost view systems and autonomous mini view prototype, GPS and PID scheme control. A multi-modal environment monitoring a network based on WSN and visual image. Multi-HOP communication protocol, multiple nodes and SMT. Two wireless communication of a ZigBee and GPRS. New military sensor view systems and sonar panels. This about my topics marine. I am going to give the conclusion about our topics applications of a sensor. Sensor are one of the most useful technology for all, and also it is very efficiently technology nowadays. So engineers should always keep in the mind will design or creating new type of a sensor or anything that should be satisfy the following. Material should be available as a cheap, simple and low cost. Low power consumptions, high reliable and also compact. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.